when it comes to batteries and charging for all electronic products, Mophie is a leading brand. It's been around for the longest time. It's one of the first of like off-brand uh, products that were used by especially Apple products. So if you had Apple products that needed a battery, Mophie was the brand. In fact, this is what they sell in the Apple store. So this is quality that is guaranteed. And here we're going to have the 24 amp, 2.4 amp Mophie USB-A charger, right? I mean, this is brand new. And this is how it comes, right? Nice and sleek. It's really nice. Really, really, let me take that, right? Really well made. This is made out of metal. This is the real thing, right? When you buy these products, you know that you're going to have it for a long time. This is not plastic or cheaply made. This is the real thing. You see? Everything is made to last, which is a weird thing, right? Because lately a lot of stuff is made to maybe not last, or you can buy some of these out there. But if you want something that you know that you're going to use for a long time, right? And that you want to make sure that you can rely on something like this is the brand you're gonna buy. You don't cut corners when it comes to this, because this can literally save your life. This is where you connect your phone, your GPS, anything that you want to connect to this 2.4 amps, and this is not going to fail you ever, because Mophie is the brand. So super recommended. Any of the Mophie products are super recommended. And man, I wish you could feel this, because you don't get a lot of this is guaranteed quality.